Here is how to fix your Ergobaby Omni Baby Carrier so it's more comfortable, safer for your baby and kinder to your back. Number one, we're going to make sure this waistband is on our waist and not our hips. So lift your baby up, tighten the waistband so it stays in place, and tighten these shoulder straps here. The second fix we're going to do is these shoulder straps. If they feel like they're falling off or you can't tighten them anymore, it's probably because this strap here is far too wide and it's pulling into your armpits. To fix that, we're going to loosen these side straps a little here, and holding on to baby, we're going to undo this strap. You can do this with your baby out of the carrier as well. You'll see here this strap is really long. We're going to make it a whole lot tighter. On my body shape, we're going to make it basically as tight as it's going to go, and then pop this back on. Now if you're having trouble reaching this clip at your back, remember this moves up and down on a little track, so you can move it into a position that you can reach it, but you don't want it too high into your neck. So now with my straps a bit looser, I can pull this away from my body, easier to do up, and then just retighten. So now my baby is high enough to kiss, tight enough that they don't flop away from my body, and their face is nice and visible. They're safe and I'm comfy.